This is Svante Pääbo, a Swedish geneticist and Nobel laureate for his discoveries concerning the genomes of extinct hominids and human evolution. As one of the founders of paleogenetics, he is well known for sequencing the genome of the Neanderthal, an extinct relative of present-day humans. Pääbo was born April 20th, 1955 in Stockholm, Sweden. As the son of chemist Karin Pääbo and biochemist Sune Bergström, Pääbo was surrounded by science his whole life. Bergström, his father, was a winner of the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1982. Pääbo says that his mother inspired him because she had a sort of great respect and passion for schoolwork and learning, and took my nerdy interests very seriously. She always encouraged him to explore whatever he wanted, so upon noticing his interest in ancient things, suggested he go to university to learn more. In 1997, he became the founding director of the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Leipzig, Germany. He began to take the fossils of Neanderthals and try and sequence the genomes. In 2006, he announced his plan to reconstruct the entire genome. This brought great skepticism by members of the scientific community, but by 2009, he had successfully completed the first draft. With over 3 billion base pairs sequenced, he chose to compare it to the human genome and see where the similarities were and where we diverged. In 2014, he published the book Neanderthal Man, In Search of Lost Genomes, where he combined a memoir and popular science and tells the story of his research effort and thoughts on human evolution. This then earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2022. Recently, a team was sent to Africa to recover some of the oldest DNA to date. Less than a month ago, the genomes from 13 individuals who died between 1300 and 10,000 years ago were reconstructed. The team is hoping to study human migrations through time and relationship to diverse people living in the South African region today. Modern humans are believed to have originated in Africa and then later migrated to other parts of the world, interbreeding with the Neanderthals. Around 1 to 2% of the DNA of non-African descent today is from Neanderthals. At age 69, Pääbo still works as the head of the MPI for evolutionary anthropology. In his free time, he enjoys hiking, skiing, and getting the opportunity to explore nature. He has an interest in literature and music, and as a way to unwind from the scientific demands of scientific research. His work has taken him to many places around the world, allowing him to engage with different cultures and environments. Pääbo has spoken publicly about being bisexual, though much isn't known about his family. I chose Pääbo as my scientist because I relate to his love of genomics, but as I did more research, I found that I had a lot in common with him. I have the same interests, and I'm also bisexual. In the research paper, the Simon's Genome Diversity Project, 300 genomes from 142 diverse populations, the SGGP sequenced the genomes of diverse human populations to better understand human variation and evolution. Whole genome sequencing was performed by taking samples from 300 individuals from different populations, and bioinformatics tools were used to process and analyze the data. The figure titled Cross-Coalescence Rates and Effective Population Sizes for Selected Population Pairs presents how quickly lineages from different groups share a common ancestor. This allows us to better understand how effective population sizes relate to genetic diversity and coalescence patterns. Thank you for listening to the small biography about Svante Pääbo. I hope you learned something interesting about human ancestry and the Neanderthal genomics. Bye-bye.